Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this tutorial we will learn how to create your first portfolio website like this one, 100% free in WordPress. After the end of this video you will have your own portfolio website under a free subdomain hosted in a free website hosting platform. So let's get started. We will use a free hosting provider called InfinityFree. So let's get started. Hi everyone, I am Ferdows. I am a WordPress expert for over 14 years of experience and I built on a WordPress site. In this channel, I share my personal experience and knowledge to make you a WordPress expert from novice. So let's discover our today's topic. So to get started, hit the register now button and it will bring you to this sign up form. Here add your email address. I will put mine, then give a password so that you can remember. And check the terms of service checkbox. So now they will send a verification link to my email address. So check your email inbox for the verification link. So after clicking on the verification link, it will bring you to the dashboard of InfinityFree hosting account. From here, click on the create account button. And they have some premium packages also, but we will use the free one, which provide 5 GB disk space, unlimited bandwidth and unlimited hosted domain. That means with this plan you can also use your own custom domain if you want. So we will select this one and hit the create now button. Now we will give a name to our site like WP for NOVIC. You can put any name you want for your choice, and from here you can select the subdomain. It's a free of cost, they are providing it. So there is a different type of subdomain available. So I will select the easy one like .free.nf. okay, and then hit the check availability button. So it seems that this domain is available with my name that I provided. So that's good to go now. And the password is the same that we provided to create the account. So I will keep it same. Then here use the email constant option, select I approve and hit the create account button. Great, so our account is now created. Hit the finish button. So now you can see that the site is now getting created. So it's something related to DNS. It might take maybe 24 hours or maybe less, it depends. So you can see that it could take around 2 hours, but in my experience it takes less than that. They will also send you an email when it's done. If you visit your site like here, so you can see the site is not loading. Okay, so it's because the DNS is not done yet, but we can still work on it. Like we can install WordPress in this domain. So to do that, let's hit the manage button. And from there, sorry, not manage button, I think control panel, hit the control panel option. So it will take us to the cPanel of our site. Hit I approve. Cool. So this is the cPanel of a hosting account. This is how it looks. It had a lot of options like FTP to access your site using FTP software like FileZilla. Also you can add your domains here. Okay, and you also have option to install software like WordPress using Softacola's app installer. Okay, and here is your PHP myadmin, which you can use to access your site database. So there is no database yet on our hosting account, so it's will not work for now, but let's install WordPress so that a database will be also get created. So I will now open Softacola's app installer and select WordPress. So it will install in my this directory, this domain. So I'll keep the same as it is and give it a username like admin, and password, let's keep it by default. You can change it if you want. I will just make a copy of it to access my WordPress dashboard, and here is the admin email. We can keep it same, or if you want you can also change it from here. Now I will keep the rest of the thing by default and hit the install button. So now our WordPress is installed. Let's see if the site is loading now or not. So it's still not loading because the DNS propagation is still not done. So I will back now once the DNS propagation is done. So in your case also wait until the DNS is done. They will email you once the DNS update is done. Okay guys, so the DNS propagation is done for my site and it's now loading fine. You can see that the domain I use it is now loading fine. So we installed the WordPress using Softacola's, and if you forgot the login credential of WordPress by any chance, you can go to on installation. From here select this one and hit the WordPress icon to manage it, and from here you have the login button to directly log into your website dashboard. So this is our dashboard of the WordPress site that we just installed. Now we will create our portfolio site on top of this WordPress installation. To do this, first I will go to the appearance themes, and from there I will install a theme called Astra. So under popular tab you will find the Astra theme here. So let's install it and hit the activate button. So once activating the theme, hit the let's get started with starter template button. This will bring up the setup widget. From here select build with template option, and then select block editor. Now you will see a lot of templates coming here. From here let's select personal site portfolio or CB, and this is our template that we are going to use for this website. So select this template, and here in the left side you can adjust fonts, color of this template, and you can also upload your logo if you want, and if you don't want to change it now, it's also fine, you can do it later. For now I'll just let's say change the color to green here, and the rest will is the same, and hit the continue button. And here in the next step I will hit the continue button, keeping everything by default, and then here you can put some information about yourself, if you want, but it's not required. I'll just hit the checkbox and hit the submit button. So this will now create the site by installing a plugin and importing the design. So it will take around 30 seconds. Let's wait. So our site is about to get created. It almost done. Right now in 90%, and it's created. Great. Once the site is created, hit the visit dashboard button, and from here you can open the site by clicking on the by clicking on the mouse right button, and you can see the site is now created. It's pretty fast, right? And now you can go ahead and edit each page content. So I will start with like the header, where you can update the header. So it's pretty easy. From go to customize option. Once the customizer is loaded, you can select the header builder option, and from here you can see that these three blocks use it in the header. So you can hover over any element to edit it. Let's say for logo, if you click on it, you will have the option to change the image and upload your own. Same if you click on the menu option, you will find to configure the menu option here. So currently the site is using primary menu. If you want to edit the menu, you can hit the edit option, and you can see all the 5 items here. And if you want to add any custom item, you can also add it by hitting the add item button. Like say we want to add a custom link, so we will put the link here, maybe like https facebook.com, and here you can type like follow me and hit the add to menu button, and you can see it's now added. So now if I hit the publish button, it will be added to my menu. Here you can see the menu is now added. Same if you want to edit the footer, you go to the footer and use the pencil icon, and you will have the option to edit all the footer elements. So I hope you can edit it pretty easily. So that's how you can edit the footer and header template of the site. Now let's move to the inner section, inner content of the page, like this hero section or the other section, how you can edit those. So for this you can use this edit page option. Let's open it. So this is the editor or the backend of our page, and this is called Gutenberg editor or block editor in WordPress, where you can easily design pages using drag and drop feature, and also edit your website content by clicking on each element, which is pretty easy and you don't need any coding experience. So for example, if you want to change the image, just select the image and you will have the option on the right side to change it. So now all you need to do is upload your image from the computer and apply it on the page. So same if you want to change the text, it's also easy. Let's say I want to change this text to something else. Let's see the options here. Here you will find all the options to control and design the content. So let's change the text, like I am a YouTuber. Okay, and here in the button you can link it to your desired location, like I will keep it the same as it now. Okay, so after this let's go to the another section. Here it is about section. And about section, it's pretty easy and look straightforward. All you need to do is just select the text and update it. It's this one also looks pretty straightforward, like you just need to put your information here, and you can also select the date, like it's pretty easy. And this is the section where you can add your images, like your portfolio images. Just click on it and you will have the option here in the right side, name edit gallery. You can adjust add gallery images here. So we already have 4. If you want to change something like the type, you can also change it to grid if you want. It will look like this. If you want it to be tilted, you can also select the option. Like you can play around with whatever design you like. And then you have the section for testimonial. You can add your testimonial text, and this can be used for contact. And if you don't need it, like you can just simply delete it. I think it's not required for portfolio site, so you maybe just delete it. It's totally useless, so I simply delete it. Okay, now hit the save button. Now let's refresh our page. So you can see whatever changes I made, it's already applied. The portfolio section is same. Here I have testimonial, and here I removed the subscription section. Now if we go to the about page and see what's the content is in there. So in about page, the content is pretty same. You can remove this section if you don't want, and other than that everything is pretty straightforward. I believe you can change it. You can also link your CB here by uploading it to WordPress. So if you don't know how to link a CB in this button, let me show you real quick. I will just open the editor, and also I will go back to my dashboard media. And from there I'll select a PDF file. Is this a PDF? No, this is not a PDF file. Okay, so I'll upload a PDF file of my CB. So I started uploading a PDF file. So this is the PDF file. Let's say it's my CB. So I'll now copy URL to clipboard. I'll hit the button and copy the URL, and then go to the editor where I opened the about page. From here I will look for the button, and here in the call to action option I will add the CB link that I just copied. Okay, so it's now linked to my CB. So whenever now someone click on this button, my CB will be opened, so they can view it. Okay, now let's move to another section, which is not section, which is page, which is portfolio. In the portfolio page, like we have a lot of images. This means this is where you can showcase your portfolio. So I'm not going to it. I hope you can edit it pretty easily. Just replace with your own images by hitting the edit page option. Okay, now the most important part is contact. So you want your client to contact you, right? So here in the contact page, the forum is most important. So make sure you edit the page and update the forum. So I'll now edit the page and set up this forum. and you can also change those taxes if you want to your own tax, and or if you want to delete this block, you can just select it and use this option and hit the delete button. Okay, and to configure the forum, select the forum, and on the right side you will have the option for the each field, and here you have the total control of the forum. And let's see what action sites made. So here in the to field, you should add your email address, I mean the email address where you want to receive the submission. You should add it here in the to field. Okay, and subject, here you can add a subject whatever you like. And so that's pretty much it, guys. Once you made the changes to the forum and other content, hit the save button and you will have your website ready, your portfolio website. So overall, this is this is a free site with a free hosting. So once you're done creating the site, and if you are kind of liking it, I would recommend to move it to a better host when you can afford it. Until then, you can keep using this free site, no issue. And to migrate the site from this free host to another hosting platform, I would recommend using Migrate Guru plugin, which is totally free. So whenever you decide, you can also move this site to a paid hosting, so you can use it as long as you want. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.